What up, Breville community? I'm Kevin Curry, aka FitMenCook, and I got another juicy recipe for you today. We are making air-fried crab stuffed shrimp. You're gonna love it. Let's get cooking. First thing you're gonna do is grab that Breville Plus app, and we're gonna preheat. There we go. Wait for that sound. There it is. Okay. Next, let's go ahead and prep these shrimp. You don't want to get the little small shrimp. You got to get that jumbo shrimp, that old, deep voice shrimp. This is some tiger shrimp. All right, you're going to peel it just like this. Keep the bottom part of that shrimp shell. Make sure it's deveined. Then take a knife, just cut a little bit deeper. Be careful, don't go all the way through. Big enough where it's like a nice little pocket for the stuffing. And repeat this for the remaining shrimp. Place them on the baking tray. Now let's move on to that delicious crab filling. So first, grab an egg, and we're gonna whisk this egg in here. And then we're gonna add in the rest of our wet ingredients. We've got some Greek yogurt. We've got some olive oil mayo. And I'm going to just do a little nice squirt of some lemon. And then add in that crab mixture. Make sure it's all mixed well together. Got that. Now let's add in our dry ingredients. So this is some onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and then a little bit of cayenne. And then we had a medley of some dried herbs. I'm gonna be using some dill, some rosemary, some sage, and a little bit of oregano. And then we're gonna add in some panko crumbs. Mix it together. Stuffing is ready. Let's grab the shrimp. You're gonna open up the back of it and just put about a nice tablespoonful. Make sure that every bit of that stuffing goes all the way down that spine of that shrimp. Pack it in like this, y'all. Pat it, pat it, pat it, pat it, and then add it to your tray. We're gonna place this entire tray in the fridge for about 10 to 20 minutes. It's important that they get nice and firm before we put them into our Joule oven. So let's go ahead and start prepping our air fryer. So grab some parchment paper, get your air fryer basket, and then you're gonna grab some oil. We're gonna want to spray our basket. Spray it well because you don't want those shrimp sticking. So with our basket nice and oiled, let's go grab the shrimp. Now grab your panko or your breadcrumbs. There is no egg wash for this. What you're gonna do is you're going to press the panko into the shrimp, place it down right here, toss the panko over it, and then squeeze it, and then, shake it. Y'all know how to shake. Then place this right here on top and repeat this for the remaining shrimp. Put a little bit more oil on top. We don't want any ashy shrimp. So now we're gonna pop this into the Joule oven for 15 minutes. Okay, oof, oh my gosh, y'all. I wish you could smell these right now because they smell amazing. Restaurant quality, air fried, Cajun crab stuffed shrimp that you just did inside your Joule oven, y'all. So now you want to enjoy them while they're hot. So you can place them on a plate, on a platter, whatever. That's what we do in the South. We need to actually cue the Zydeco music right now. Just imagine right now that you in New Orleans, it's hot, the music is going, the laughs are flowing, and we've got, oh my gosh, Cajun air fried stuffed shrimp on deck. A nice little garnish action, we wanna make it look nice for the people that come by so that way they're like, yo man, did you order this? No, I didn't. You probably thought you had to go. No, man, I got the Joule. You don't have one yet? Gotta get your weight up, bro. Get your weight up. I'm gonna do a little bit of, look at that. Oh, and you just did this yourself. Beautiful. Okay, now the second most important part is the sauce. Even though they don't need it, these always go good with some dipping sauce. Oh my God, look at this. In fact, hold on. Did y'all see this up there? Look at this. Ha! Yeah, I know. And just like that, y'all, it is just that easy. Just grab that Breville Plus app, walk through all those steps, and then I want you to write me and just say, hey, Kev, these changed my life. Because I know that they will. And for more dope recipes just like this, check me out in the Breville Plus app. Until then, stay crispy.